All right, guys, we are back. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. I don't know what happened. Everything kind of just froze up and knocked me out. So I guess YouTube or my computer, whatever, does not want me to stack up those likes tonight, or just messing around. So I'm just going to keep things running kind of minimal on the computer right now, and to make sure we don't flush anything out. And luckily I didn't miss too much on the trading. Trying to get through this. And hopefully that is the last outage. Just gonna get the chat up and then leave everything off. Just gonna leave everything off for right now, and until we get some consistency on the old stream here. So thank you for coming back, Joey, Hassan, Mark Barnes. Thank you guys for being patient with me. And yeah, so that frazzled me a little bit. Oh man, it's all good. It's all good. We're back. We're here. People are starting to come in and give me that 157. Yeah, I'm going to put a buy right here with you at looks like, yeah, 157.75. That looks pretty good. I would love to see a bounce right there. Bing, let's do it. Thanks, Wrong Trade Jim. Wrong Trade Jim. I appreciate it, guy. Yeah, it's you know, you got an audience, you got everybody counting on you, and then you can't really do anything. So I did a reboot of the computer, and of course there were updates when I did the restart, and so I had to sit through while it did its thing and couldn't get past those updates. I do have a top of the line computer here, so I don't know what happened. Maybe I just had too much going on, but I use this computer for all of my work, and so I invested a lot of money into this computer. It's maxed out on RAM and CPU and everything else. It's basically a gaming computer, because, you know, like regular HP and you know, Dell and stuff like that, those computers are really only used for like email, Word, and maybe you can do Excel, and that's about it. But I am an artiste, and I use my computer. I've got 4 screens running off this computer. I do day trading while I do my consulting. I got streams playing. I am abusing the hell out of this computer, to be honest. So it was only fair that it spit back and punched me in the face tonight, but it's all good. We got a buy limit right down here at the Diddy line. The Diddy line is 156.5. I'm just right above it, so I can make sure I get ticked in right there. But we got this MOAS power short going down all the way to 133 showing right now. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Looking bearish, very much on the 1 minute. We looked at the 15 minute earlier. We know it's all the way up at 500, and it's going to stay that way until but look at this power short. The stop loss for this power short is way up here at 232. That's a pretty big swing. That's that is a 100-point swing on that stop loss and take profit. Eek. Tommy Trades, welcome. Appreciate you joining the stream. Thank you everybody for being patient. You built your computer in 2021 and still kicking? Nice, Joey. Appreciate you guys being patient while I figure out this mess with the OBS tonight. Let's get our P&L back up. Another day.
Just got a holla. Paper trail, a ghost in the machine. Lost my capital, a digital scene. Start again from scratch and dust. Gotta rebuild, gotta trust. The market's a beast, it never sleeps. Takes its pound of flesh, then it reaps. But I'm still standing, bruised and sore, ready to fight for just a little more.
Hey Rain, thank you, sir. Minigun's back. Thank you guys for joining back again. Sorry for the trouble. Had a little technical difficulties. We're back and running though, so I don't know if I want to put this. I'm gonna try these one at a time. YouTube chat connected. I'm gonna fire this off just to test. Nope. There we go. All right, that's working. You guys tell me if I get ticked in. I'm trying to get everything back up and running again. Have the opportunity to give a second like. Winning. There you go. Yeah, we got to get all those likes back. We on the reset, we lost them again. That's twice tonight. That's annoying. All right, Moas. Before I get this. Actually, let me. Watching my CPU to make sure that stays down. I will just keep that off for now.
Screen glow on my face. I stay calm, I wait. No chasing every move. I let the pattern prove. Smooth trader concepts draws a line so clear. When the crowd gets loud, I keep my eyes right here. I watch the pressure build. I watch the moment land.
All right, not touching anything else. We're good. We got the minimum for the stream. We're solid. Let's pay attention to these markets now. Back in the chat. All right, tell me trades. Can I explain how the indicator works? Absolutely. This is the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, excuse me. and we are waiting for signals to get in. So back here we had a MOAS signal to take profit. So green, take profit, stop loss in red. It started inching up right here, and then we had a MOAS power short. So we'll get power shorts or trap longs, or we'll get some red diamonds and some green diamonds that are just indicating pressure of where we need to go. Right now we've got a power short, and it is building right down here into 134 with a stop loss. It's a 100-point stop loss up to 232. So we're not jumping in just yet. We got some. We got the 5 minutes still bearish or bullish, and the 15-minute is very bullish. The 15-minute has it all the way up to. I'll click over there real quick. Way up to 500 up here. The green wave, which is just giving us momentum, and the bigger this green wave gets, the more bullish we are. The smaller it gets, the more bearish we are. And it's reversed for that for shorts. So the red gets bigger, we're going short. Red gets smaller, then that pressure is waning on that. We'll look at the 5 minute again. All right, so go look at the 1 minute. Sorry, we were on the 5 minute. Here you go. You can see on the 1 minute, we've got a really big red flag on the 1 minute. It's giving us pressure, but it's kind of pushing back up here. We got some bull pressure pushing us back up to the VWAP where we like to live on the night market. Oh, I messed up. This is... ES is still very bullish. Starting to curl over here a little bit. I just don't think NQ has found its way and where we're going. This could be just a pullback and we blast higher. 1 minute just looks exactly like the NQ. They're following each other step by step. And I have some lines in here from our good friend Joey in the chat. Some resistance at 156.50. So we've got a buy limit of 5 MNQ at 157.75, and hopefully we just come down here, get a bounce, and start rocketing up. It'd be really sweet if we got a tick in just like we did last night. Man, that was a beautiful entry. Rode that all night long into profit. And it'll be about the right timing too if we get down here. So we got into that trade a little after 9 o'clock, I think, coming up on the 9 o'clock hour here. Tokyo came in here. Green diamonds blasted up here. Almost would have got this TP right there. If I would have kept my stop loss like right down here where it was, I would have got some really good profit right there at the top. But that's what happens when you're managing risk. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Smooth Diddy indicator. But there's a lot of ways. I mean, there's a lot of settings you can modify how many of these signals you see. I've got mine only on high. You can have some medium signals, but I just want just the best signals that I can get. And in our Discord, if you want to join our Discord, there's some channels in there that give all the settings that you can mess around with. We got some, there's video you can watch on the indicator that Smooth has created. Smooth Trader is the creator of this Smooth Trader indicator. You can get it if you can get, well, we lost the link again. Yep, Smooth says there are masterclasses in the YouTube channel that you can check out as well. Sam B still holding this short from my 30-minute chart. Nice. Yeah, subscribe, join us, join the Discord. Smooth will put the link back here in the chat. We lost it on when it got rebooted. But this link right here, I'm gonna paste it in there. We can, if Smooth can pin that for us, Put that in the chat. Click that link and you can come and you can check out the STC indicator. It is $7 for 7 days if you want to give it a try. We got 20% off as well, monthly or lifetime. We got links to our prop firm matrix, the YouTube channel, our Discord. Join us over there. It's a quick link over there. And then if you like the playlist that you're hearing on this show, I've created all these songs. They're right here on this master playlist. So definitely check it out. Stay a while. All right, well, we are just sitting wait now, seeing if we're going to get ticked in. Yeah, I believe that's right. These are the lines that Joey Acorn gave us this, before we started. Yes, Josh, we are looking for a long. We are still in a bullish market, and so I'm looking for longs, looking for bounces. If we don't get this level, then we've got dynamic monthly hedge pressure down here, and this is another always long right here. But we could bounce right here at 101. It has blown right through hedge pressure, which is at this blue line right here. Blew right through that and started heading south. But I think we're just cleaning up some fair value gaps that were left over from that huge, gigantic long today. Was anybody in that long this morning? That huge bull run, that was fantastic. Oh my gosh. I honestly don't even need to trade tonight with the money I made today, but I'm still looking to pad my accounts just a little bit more if we can. You were in the sells. There wasn't much selling going on. I mean, we had a pullback here, bang, pullback, bang, and then a pullback, but I might come back for this wick. It's a little lower than your line there, Joey. 141. That would make this MOAS target pretty credible. If they wanted to clean up this, how big was this? 142. 670, 80 point wick right here. I'm going to take half of that. I'm going to put this at 150 for the overshoot of the Diddy line there, Joey, I think. Just get 50% of that wick, so it gives me a little bit of pullback and then maybe a bounce right there. Yes, just dump it. Dump it in Q. Let's put in, I'm going to put them in on the 15-minute so I can put some fair value gaps in from today because we got some big liquidity down below that we may want to tackle tonight. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, dang it. Stop doing that. $52, 102. All right. So there are the fair value gaps for the big run up that are left. This one is very particular. That's right, lines up right with monthly dynamic monthly hedge pressure right there. So we'll keep an eye on that. Maybe it just wants to bounce off and keep rocketing up. We'll keep an eye on that. Sam B got TP. Oh yeah, I'm looking at the 15-minute. Yeah, this is for the 15-minute chart. But I do know that these fair value gaps from NinjaTrader that I put on the board here, they like to take these out. If it's not tonight, it's tomorrow, and it is not a stretch to get down there tonight. Not at all. It takes one good push off the ledge, and we're in a free fall. And this is our Intervaris line right here too, so this could be a pop. I mean, this is a target. We got this target, this is a target, and this is a target. So oh, dang it. Spill my drink. You have a 140 stop for the 157 entry. That's right at the end of this wick right there. That's that candle we were talking about earlier. They want to clean up that wick. It's 140 on the dot. Tell me, Trey, you think the market is slow today? We're making some pretty good moves. At least we're off the VWAP. I've seen a lot slower than this. I guarantee you. We've had some nights here where it was like watching paint dry. At least we're moving. I mean, there's some moves could be taken. I mean, there's a short available right now. I mean, we're at 172. I mean, there's a 20-point scalp right there, just down to the Diddy line. The wick for you is 144. Why would he have different ones? That's 144 on the 5-minute, Joey. Yeah, those kind of wicks always come back into play at some point. So if I put it away down there. Different settings. Maybe.
When the map turns cold, I stay calm, I stay near. Every fake out ends when the real move clears. Hit that final push, let the weak shorts run. By the morning bell, they'll know what I've done. Squash the bears tonight. Squash the bears tonight. Ride that green wave high. Squash the bears tonight. Squash the bears tonight. Squash the bears tonight. Close that red parade and let my profit shine.
All right, Joe. Yeah. I mean, it worked well for us last night, these Diddy lines. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna see if it passes through, and I'll be ready to jump on it if it bounces for sure. Don't fight the fill. All right, we're getting pushed down. Let's go check over at the 1 minute, see what we got good over here. We got a MOAS power short, power short. Oh man, we got red diamonds all over the place, all over the place. Pushing down, pushing. So now our 1 minute and our 5 minute are bearish, and our 15 minute is the only one still holding on to that bull. Let's look at MES. ES is still bullish on the 5 minute and 15 minute, but it is turning bearish on the 1 minute. But we're still getting that curl. It's curling down. I don't know. Could be the opposite of last night. Instead of a slow grind up, it's a slow grind down tonight. Diddy line leveled indicator coming soon from Joey. Yes, sir. Saran, buy it. 143.75. I've moved it down. Yeah, it's set at 143.75. That's what I have set it right now. I might move it. I'm just gonna see how this plays out. We're just slowly marching down. There's not a lot of, we got a lot of red candles in here. I think here comes the bounce for Joey. Thankful your 175 TP was hit. Yeah, that was a good one. 159 wick down. There's 157. $153. Oil's starting to slam down. We could get in a bounce. We could be getting a bounce here. See what oil does. ES is a big red candle from ES. Is this thing dumping? Are we dumping everything that we got today? Hey Josh, these are Haikanashi candles. Oops, not indicators, candles. The Haikanashi. These are the ones that work best at with the smooth trader indicator. Hey Ox Dior, my buy. It's at 134 now. I just moved it down because red candle. I don't know, man. I'm gonna put it down here at dynamic MHP, which is an always long for me here, and hope that it doesn't go past this Varus line right here, which would be a 40-point pull, and then we bounce back up. I mean, because that is a fair value gap on the 15-minute, and ES has got pressure down. Big red candle on ES. Look at that candle. Bears are on board. $135. Yeah, grabbing that right now. All right, so if anybody took this MOAS power short, TP hit on the MOAS power short. NVIDIA's cratering. Strong pressure down. Huge candle down. From a high of 226, we're down to 224.9 and falling. And falling. Silver's dumping too. This might be a dumpity dump night. We might just dump it all night long. Sam B got another take profit. Sam B killing it tonight, man. I gotta watch the Discord. You're probably posting these in Discord. Off to bed already, Mark? We just getting started, man. ride a short down there? I'll take a too many down there. I'll take a little bit. We'll take that off for a second and I mean, I'll put it, just in case we just dump, I'll put it down here at the Varus band inner right there. Why not? We dumping. And it's just gonna do the reverse of what I want to do tonight, because I'm not going off my levels here. We've got the Diddy line right here. Maybe that could be a resistance to keep pushing it down, but doing a full-on reversal of that candle on the ES right now. NQ reverse too. As soon as I put that on, everything starts reversing. Ha! How many contracts left up? Usually I'm trading my one prop account, so. And then if it's a trade that I'm just iffy on, like this one, I'll just throw 2 MNQ on there and see if I can ride this down to at least MHP down here. And if he wants to keep coming down, then I've got my target down here. But if we see a bounce, then I'll cut it out right here at this level right here. This might be the short trap right here. It stopped as soon as I put my entry in. It reversed. I got the task manager up running too to watch my CPU usage, and everything's looking okay right now, Lou, Smooth Trader. Yeah, I'm watching it. Zero drop frames. Yeah, that thing's looking good. Man, this market sure will test a person's mental and emotions. Yeah, it can. That is for sure. Petco says, back in my day, we drew point and figure charts by hand and waited for the ticker tape to come across. Fruits of Burnett, awesome. Yeah, it's I'll pop the link in the chat. Just follow this link and it'll come over here, and you can get the ST indicator right here. And join our Discord as well while you're at it. So ES is handling this drop. Yeah, we have some more red candles. Let's get another red diamond in here. How about that? You can see our green wave completely collapsed here. About to switch over into a red flag. Hopefully for us and Sam B. He wants 135. I'd like to take it all the way to 100. Let's see if we can take it all the way back to 100 and get a bounce here. That would be a great entry. There we go. We're back in the green. Hey S-Dub, which prop firm has the best bang for your buck? Well, if you click that link that I just dropped into the chat right there, it has a link to the prop firm matrix right here, and you can use this drop down and kind of see what the different prices are and stuff like that. The deals that we have that are limited time right now, we have my funded futures. Right now, 50% off until tomorrow. Tomorrow, this deal, 50% off, goes away 5 p.m. tomorrow. So you can get 2 accounts, any size, my funded futures for 50% off right now. So definitely check that out if you haven't used that code yet for that. The code is Night Trader with a K. Make sure you got the K in there, Night Trader. You can see it right here at the top, right above me up there as well. We have a 50K Legends Apprentice account that we're giving away on stream tonight if we can get to 100 likes, which would be just splendid. 2 days in a row would be awesome. And we got some great deals with Blue Sky. Just got those guys, that code all fixed up there. I'm trading the trade day accounts right now, which they have they're the first place for drawdown and cost ratio. Really good deals on trade day right now, and that's what I'm trading. That's in my P&L down below. I got 2 trade day accounts that we're going to be trading tonight if we can get locked in. But yeah, just check this out, and you can just use this drop down to find, compare the costs and stuff like that. And then there's links right here down at the bottom where you can access those sites right from this site. Oh, here we go. Back to the trade. We're in profit. That's what I like. Sam B got the TP again. Done for the night. Way to go, Sam B. Sam B is a killer. Always cleaning up. Every time, dude. You always clean up. Hey, Saran. Yeah, I'm in at 142. This is just I'm just riding down this sell. This is not off anything other than just jumping in. This is not an A+ setup here. So, I call this a B setup at best. I'm riding the wave, just to get a couple points, and hopefully we get down here to MHP, and then I'll be looking for the bounce there. I put this just in case we get a rogue candle, but I'll be looking for, a bounce at MHP. To head back up. But this is in case they want to take out this fair value gap that I want to be. Actually, I'm going to keep pushing this down to right on top of, this is the inner Varus line right here. I've updated the shading for the Varus band, so you're really going to see the lines right now. So this is the inner Varus line right here. You got VWAP as this big white line up here. But there's a couple magnets down here. We rocketed up today, guys. I mean, this was a rocket with rocket fuel, just slamming up. Got some good profit on this rise today. That was amazing. And then we just had to pull back and right back up, pull back, right back up. I mean, the bulls were on fire today. So wanting to retrace some of this, we got some other wicks down here, right there at MHP. They cleaned up this wick already on this short, and the bears are in control right now. NVIDIA's Hard selling right now too. Hard sell. Retracement to 135, possibly. Little pullback. Joey's in a long. Or did you get stopped out? Where was your, I forget where your stop loss was. 140? So you're out, right, Joey? Got stopped, yeah. I was worried about that. Just like these fair value gaps they are magnets, and market makers usually do not like to leave liquidity laying around, especially not this big, juicy. Look how juicy that fair value gap is. That is just some juicy liquidity right there. Oh, we got that MOAS. I need to update the MOAS. 2 for 2. I didn't get it, but I know somebody else, I think Sam B took that short. So we're 1 for 2 right now on the night market. The second MOAS target is way down here at 38. So that's this one right here. If you guys can see, this MOAS power short is got a target right down here of 38. So, I mean, we've got a long way to go. And that would be blasting through this fair value gap, through Intervaris, and just continuing down. 1 minute and 5 minute are bearish, 15 minutes still bullish. I'd like to see some more red diamonds to continue this pressure down. We are in a short. For those that have just joined us, we got in at 142. Currently down to about the top of this fair value gap. But if we get some good pressure in here, I would put it down at where that 5 minute MOAS target is. I'll move it down to take a little bit more. Got my stop loss up here just right above VWAP at 192.25. So we got dynamic monthly hedge pressure right here. So I'm gonna watch for the bounce here too. So I might, if we get a bounce or resistance here, I'm gonna take profit because this is an always long right here. But it's gonna be a fight with monthly hedge pressure and this sitting liquidity from the 15-minute chart. Yep, we're at 135 right now. This could pull up all the way to 160. Man, the NQ is a dirty girl, isn't it? Dirty, dirty girl.
Green diamonds forever. Guide the way. They sparkle and shimmer. Let's get that paper.
What's that level, John B? I don't have that on my chart. I don't want to pull up another site and risk messing something up. I'm trying to run very limited here with my stuff. What's dynamic HP on ES? We had to set, is it 7820? Trap short. Oh man. Not good. Yeah, ES is probably filling in this fair value gap right here. Right here. Seven, 820 on ES. Yep, that is a clean bounce off hedge pressure right there. But these charts never go in a straight line, folks. We get pullbacks. 1 minute still bearish on the ES. Get a little bullish, but that red wave, it's starting to grow. It's starting to grow. Don't give up hope yet. I'm not closing the trade. Not yet. I don't see any signs of us blowing up and riding sky high unless that was the plan all along. But that would be a deep, I mean, that's a deep pullback to come all the way up there. I'd still expect to come at least to right down here. The 155 Birdie Patrol rejected those buyer immigrants. The Diddy line, A Diddy line holding us down. Oxdiora, I'm always looking for the longs. I'm always looking for the bounce. I prefer longs over shorts. I just jumped in this trying to grab a few points down to MHP here, and it buckled. ES had some pressure, but no, ES is starting to press down now. It's not over. Barely missed that Diddy line. Barely. It could come retested. Not over yet. Sam B, were you able to lock in profit in your last trade? This is my second trade of the night. So my first trade, we were down 130. And so we're trying to reclaim that on this trade right now. Yeah, trap short, that's not a good signal. Not good. We are still bullish on the 15-minute, but we're so close to this fair value gap that I think it's still a magnet. Just we might go into a little bit of the red for a minute. I could be on the wrong side of this. I am known to go in to trades when it's reversing. Change this song? Okay. There we go. I don't have many go for the short songs. I don't think I have any go for the shorts because I always like to go long. I'm always on the other side of this. So. There we go. Ticked up against the 156 again. Is that 156 line going to keep us down? Or are we going to blast through it? I can tell you right now that it's coming back to at least probably at least 165. Do a little cleanup. ES is grinding up as well. Starting to curl up. We got some very bullish signals over here on the 1 minute ES. 5 minute, we got a MOAS power short down here to 78.14. The stop up here at 78.28, so that's a lot of pullback to come down and hit this target, but it's probably the long play. Here we go. 156 Diddy line. Will it hold? Can they hold it? That's 3 times. That's 3 hits on this level. On the 1 minute chart. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's get a trapped long in here. Let's get a trapped long. And some red diamonds, please. Please.
Is a nasty girl. Always coming back for more.
All right. Because of all the mishaps with the likes and stuff like that tonight, we're going to do a special half off. We're going to do the giveaway at 50 likes tonight. We had some technical difficulties. We lost some likes along the way. We're at 29. We need 21 more likes, and I will do a 50K Legends giveaway. Legends Apprentice. So we got 46 in the chat. I mean, hit those likes, guys. We can get up there real fast. Come on. We're in a crazy trade. Looking for a little profit. Thank you, nasty, nasty. I'll do even better if we get to 50 likes and do the giveaway, then I'll do another giveaway at 100 likes. How about that? We can give away 2 Legends accounts tonight. What? This kind of makes me want to double down on this. The way we keep hitting this line and popping off of it. This is a 150K. We're going to do it. If it comes up, see if it'll tick me in, and I'll double up on this short. We're going to go for it. I think we're going down. We got liquidity down here. I'll take another shot. If it wants to come up here and tag this line one more time, Border Patrol, the diddy line, I'll take a little action out of that. Hey Elvis, yeah, you did mention you're looking at prop firms to understand them. Did I pass my first test the first time? Man, I have to think back. That was so long ago. I passed a lot of them. I mean, probably not. I think if I think back, I probably blew my first account. Just to be perfectly honest with you, because I was new to trading, and I was taking bigger risks than I should have. I didn't really I didn't harness my edge way back then. Now that I'm practicing, risk management, and I found my edge in trading, I feel a lot more comfortable with the prop firms and not being able to blow them. But I don't know any traders that have not blown at least one prop firm account. I've never heard of anybody that's not blown it. You got drawdown. I mean, The market is finicky. NQ is a dirty, dirty girl, and and she will take you out. But yeah, I mean, you can I mean, they have reset fees. I mean, you can wait for usually. So if you're in an eval, it's usually every 30 days. They're going to rebill you and reset your account if you fail, or you can pay the reset fee. Oftentimes, more times than not, it's cheaper other than resetting is just letting that go and then buying another one with a discount code, like the Night Trader discount code. With the discounts, it's usually cheaper than the reset codes, to be honest. Still didn't take me in. Look at that one. Look at those wicks lining right up. Look at that. See if it'll tick me in for 2 more in MNQ. $42 in the chat and only 37 likes. Can you guys not see that? Do I need to make this sign bigger right here? 50K Legends Apprentice coming at 50 likes tonight. We're doing half off because of the technical difficulties that we had earlier with the stream. Hopefully everything is settled now. But we're on. We've been streaming. How long have we been streaming now? I'm not having an issue. Yeah, we're over the hour. Over the hour. It was like every hour it seemed to have been dropping off. But we got 0 drop frames. We're rolling. 3.2% CPU usage. That's pretty small. Anytime, Elvis. Ask your questions, guys. That's what I'm here for. If you got questions, join the Discord. You can ask us there. There we go. We're 4 in. We got ticked in at the Diddy line. 4 MNQ strong. Targets remain the same. Retraced and dip some more. I hope we dip some more. I mean, we got targets down there, and I'd like us to get way lower than this. But let me see if we have any other. Not seeing any trap shorts yet. We're really just grabbing some liquidity. It's a little fair value gap that it's grabbing right here. ES just completed its grab of the liquidity, so maybe we can an oil dumping though. That's not a good sign. I really don't want to go 0 for 2 tonight. That'd be a bummer. ES is holding up VWAP. If we can stay under VWAP with ES, then I'll stay in this trade. But if it breaks VWAP and starts pressing higher, I'm gonna close this trade out. It's not looking good. Looking like the bulls are coming back in. We're trading with a 150K next gen funded account right now. That is what is on the board. Hold the line. Hold the Diddy line. There it is right there. You can see it. It was hidden by the status line, but the Diddy line is holding right now. Let's hold that line. Come on. Hold the line. $10 away. 10 away from a giveaway, guys. 10 likes away. Looks like it's time to go long on the 1 minute. Not yet. 1 minute's still bearish. Starting to get a little green flag forming though. It's got one more bump. One more bump to take out this fair value gap, and then
clock hands grow, mark is on my screen. Red and green flash, but I stay clean. I don't chase fights, I don't grab the flame. I wait my turn and I play the game. One slow breath before the move. Patience pays, that's my
SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
when it's begun. No quick hands, no rush. Reply.
Yeah, oil is straight down. Come on. Nvidia's rising. I mean, is Trump still in charge of the strait? They building this statue over there yet? Yes, it's holding the VWAP. We got a target though, 825. That puts us over VWAP. Very disrespectful. NQ is being a nasty girl tonight. Nasty, nasty. That hedge pressure just bounced right off that. That's a good level right there, John B. That's a good level. Hopefully you got that long. Power long coming in on the 1 minute. No MOAS signal though, so we're still kind of okay. Trap short, power long. $15 plus, you're satisfied? Yeah. Yep. Birdie Patrol lost. All right, so NQ has got that fair value gap. There's still another one up at 200. It could go all the way to stop me out. If we don't get a reversal here, then I might cut bait. I might cut bait. At least my Phillies are winning. I'm not winning, but my Phillies are winning 7-1 over the Texans. Hey, Hayden, we already had dinner tonight. You missed it. I had a delicious cauliflower and rice and vegetable bowl, and my wife put this really homemade, nice spice sauce on it. It was delicious. She takes good care of me. She's a great cook. She's a fantastic cook. I used to be a good cook, but then I married her and I didn't have to cook anymore because she was so good. All right, here's the push of ES. Oil cannot regain its bull pressure. It was delicious, Adam. It was very good. I could have used another bowl of it. It was that good. Yeah, low volume. It was a pretty big bowl. Cauliflower can fill you up, man. Have you ever had a cauliflower steak? That'll fill you up just as much as a steak will. Not on the good trades yet. And some pullback. ES about to break over VWAP. Market makers wanted to come take that money that I took last night from them. They're trying to get it back. Trying to reach in my pockets. Take my well-deserved earnings. All right, 36 seconds till the next candle. Where are we going? Nvidia V'ing up. Oil dropping. It's not looking good for this trade, guys. Hey, Aaron Amos. We are using the Smooth Trader indicator. So you see with the big red wave that we're in right now, I'm trying to get a short down here to MHP or even down into this fair value gap. NQ is not playing nice tonight. Oil's dumping, but you can get the indicator right here on this link right here. It's not pinned right now. We'll get that pinned for you, but I'll put it in the chat. You can get it right here, $7 for 7 days. You give it a good test drive. It's currently 20% off if you want to do the monthly or the lifetime. You can also join the Discord community. Come learn about it. And our YouTube channel, we have tutorials on the YouTube channel as well, if you want to check it out there. Otherwise, come see me every night, Sunday through Thursday, and I'll be running the Smooth Trader indicator. And you can catch Smooth Trader, the inventor of the indicator, on the New York session every morning, Monday through Friday at Market Open. We've got a great community. Join us. All right. Getting a little pullback. We got some resistance. I like it. Bullish for our fair, blah, 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 for our fair value gap just formed. Yeah, I mean, this is looks pretty bullish to me. There's some big green candles in the 4 hour.
Had to breathe as I take my steps. Nobody watching while I make my reps. Late night grind, he still no success. Put my trust in God, cause he knows what's next.
You're going one more entry long tonight. You're going long.
Now I'm on my knees trying to fix the mess. They don't see the battles that I fought to get. They don't see the battles that I fought to.
Who is shorting NQ right now for a sweep of 120s? This guy right here. This guy's shorting. I don't know if I can get back to break even. I might get out of this trade. Oil was on the downtrend, and it's been on the downtrend all day. I don't know why I was thinking shorts. Like, I'm a long guy. 90% of my trades are long. I'll just blame it on Sam B. It was Sam B's fault. He made me do it. Well, now we're fighting against the Diddy band backwards. Now it's coming down, trying to bounce off that. Fractal Relay, welcome to the show. I am the Night Trader, folks. For those just joining us, you are at the night market. We are in a short. We are trying to get down to this fair value gap. We have a MOAS power short as part of this indicator with a target down here of 38-ish. Yeah, 38. I'd like to see us get down there. Clean up this liquidity on its way down. We also got dynamic monthly hedge pressure right here at 101. That is some good support, so we could see if we actually crater down here, we could see a pop and jump from here. We are in a bullish market. It's a little bearish right now, but the 15-minute has a huge target all the way up to 30,500-ish up here. 503 with a stop loss of 813. I mean, that's a big swing. Not a lot of people can have that much drawdown, but it is definitely wanting to go a little more bullish tonight. Maybe. We will see. We'll see what happens. Sam B, you just took a short? You're in a short with me, Sam B? Come on. Fractal Relay, you think my trade will work out? You're looking for a break at the 100 level? Yeah. I mean, I'd love to see a break into... So this this box right here, this is fair value gap left over from this huge liftoff that we had, this rocket launch that we had this morning. I mean, even if I hit stop loss here, I am well into way over profit today. I freaking killed it. While we're waiting for this to work out, I'll just add this up real quick. 39. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yep. So we are 8,000 profit on the day. So a measly $338 is not going to hurt my bottom line. That's for sure. But we like to win on the night market, and we like to take good trades. I think this is a good trade. We've got some good targets. This is some juicy liquidity down here that I know the market makers want to come and grab. And if it's not tonight, then they'll come grab it tomorrow. But we're getting resistance. We're curling back. I'd love to get a trap long and some red diamonds. That's what the indicator provides, to give us that just assurance, that nice cuddle, that warm blanket that we're in the right trade. So we'll see. We are bearish on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. You can see right here. We showed you the bullish nature of the 15 minute. That is a hardcore long that it's still got room. We could still dip here and still skyrocket. I mean, we could skyrocket off here this monthly hedge pressure at 101. Don't know. Don't know what NQ's gonna do. She's a nasty girl. All right, guys, we're doing a special tonight. Usually on this show, we do giveaways at 100 likes, but because we had some technical difficulties and lost a few likes on the way, we cut it in half, and we're giving a 50K apprentice Legends account away tonight, live on air. 3 likes away. I'm gonna go to the restroom, take a quick break, let this trade work out, go to the restroom. And hopefully by the time I get back, you guys have snatched that like button a couple more times and we can do this giveaway. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Dips, I don't fold. If it climbs, I don't boast. I learned the way, that's what matters most. One more hour, one more sign, and I let the trade do its time. Hold it long, hold it long, hold it long, hold it. Hold it long, hold it long, hold it long, hold it long, hold it long.
All right, see, we are still in the chat, or still in the trade. Sam B, you shared the trade with me in the main chat Discord. Let me check. Where's my Discord? Nice. Holy cow. Are you doing NQ? Sam B? That can't be MNQ like I'm doing. My measly 4 MNQ. Woo! Sam B going hard in the paint. Man, these guys always get you, right? They're like, you look in the clear window of the mail, and it's like, open this immediately. It's about your car, vehicle notification department. Our records indicate you have not contacted us to confirm your eligibility for an extended vehicle car warranty. Oh my gosh. My best friend on his voicemail says, if I didn't answer, it's probably because you're calling me about an extended car warranty or something. Oh, look at this. This is ugly. Whoa. That was an ugly candle. Right up to 173. Did that take you out, Sam B? That was a wicked wick up to 173.25, and ES is pressing. Oil is just cratering. Oil's cratering. Trap short on the ES. That's a bullish flag. Not looking good on this trade. Again, man, NQ is feisty. Let's check the chat. 50 likes. You guys did it. You did it. All right. Yo, duh. You're just in time, buddy. We just hit 50 likes on the chart, and we're about to do a 50K giveaway of a Legends Prentice account. I do not like this trade. I do not. It's going to come tap me out, and I don't know if I want to give it more room than that. What is 236? Okay. I don't know. That's a lot of room. Let's see how it interacts with VWAP before we make a decision. Let me get the giveaway engine fired up, and we are going to do a 50K giveaway. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for coming to the night market. I am the Night Trader, and I appreciate you being here. Please subscribe, join. I'll put the link in the chat for the new guys that just joined. Yo, duh. What? Heck yeah. Jumping in right off the bat. I just put the link in the chat. You can join our Discord community to win the 50K Legends account. You have to be a part of our Discord community so that we can connect and I can give you the code. While you're here, check out the prop firm matrix and get yourself a prop account with the code Night Trader. It's same code right ahead of me, above me. K Night Trader, night like the Dark Knight. I am Batman. Here you can also get our ST indicator tool that you're seeing on my screen right there. So check that out. Let me get this. What's the Discord? It's in the link that I just sent you. ATXGJ, welcome back, man. I'm glad you came back. Sorry about the thing. So make sure everybody, before we do this giveaway, make sure you are live. Click the live button down in the corner right there. Make sure you're live, and so you are up to date. So we make sure that you don't miss the giveaway if your name is called. So give me just a little bit. Just give me just a minute to get this kicked up. I was running really tight on space memory and all that kind of stuff. So I did not want to mess up and drop the stream again. We dropped twice tonight. Gonna get this reset. We'll get our giveaway up on the screen. All right, so now let's see. Well, our new song today, we're going to put it on right now. We wrote this song today and inspired by San B inspired this song. And so that's going to be our code word. I'm going to put it on the screen. And you guys got 3 minutes to the end of this song. Starting now. Type it in the chat. Let's go. 50K Apprentice Legends account coming at ya. Let's go. Is a nasty girl. Always coming back for more. Snatching up diamonds and pearls. Sometimes making V wop above. She leans in close and face from sight. Takes my breath and takes my night. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. You guys stop for a second. It's not rolling up. I'm gonna start it again. It's still not working. We've had issues. Why is this not working? Let me, I'm gonna close it down and restart. We've been having technical difficulties all night. Let me check the chat. Oh my gosh. I'll try something else. Hold on, guys. We're giving it away. Don't worry. Just got to. I'm been having technical difficulties all day. I'm not even watching my trade. I hope my trade's not blowing up. The market screen a pale moon. Tick by tick a snail's pace crawl. Just waiting for the market call. My eyes they burn. Give me a second, guys. I'm working through this. We're gonna get it working. Through error, unhandled error event. Oh, because it was already running. All right, let's try this again. Coffee, cold, and spirit too. What's a trader gonna do? Small green candle, small red lines. Reading all the tiny signs. My fingers twitch. My head it spins. Only 125 drawdown. Okay, we're okay. Okay. YouTube chat connected. Let's try this one more time. There we go. All right. It's working now. I saw one come in from Yoda. Type in Nasty Girl in the chat. We've got a 50K Legends Apprentice account we are giving away tonight on the stream. I'll give you guys to the end of this song. And let's go. Remember, you guys have to be a member of the Discord community so that I can get you this access code. So for this Legends account, so make sure you have joined, or you can join after if you win. That's not a problem either. But that's where you will get the discount code for a free 50K Legends account tonight. Look at that, we're already up to 60 likes. We might make it to 100 likes tonight. Yeah, you guys, you only need to do it one time. It's gonna pick up the entry just one time. I see you in there, Minigun. You don't have to keep typing it, buddy. You're in. I see your name in there. Yeah, you can join the Discord. I mean, you don't have to go anywhere. I'll put the link in the chat again for the access to the Discord. So it's just right on this page right here where you can do our prop firm matrix and join the Discord community. Just click over. Unless you're in a losing trade like me and you want to watch it, I understand. I totally understand. About 1 more minute for your entries, everybody. You got 65. Wow, people are coming in. You guys must have got the word out that we were doing a giveaway because people just started marching in the room. Still in a short with the bounce that crazy? Yep, I'm a crazy, crazy man. I am crazy. We're still bearish on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. We might have some. We're getting some bearish signals here. Trap long, trap long. I mean, VWAP. There's resistance right here at VWAP. I mean, I was gonna write it up to VWAP and just see what happened if we bounced off there. But if we get a hard press through VWAP, I'm gonna cut bait and look for another trade. ES is very bullish though right now. Look at those bullish candles. ES has a strong bull up here to 7827. All right, song is coming to a close. Get those in real quick. We're about to close. We got 30 entries right now. Nasty girl in the chat. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closing the door. Oh, we got one in at the last second. Nice. All right. We're going to draw our winner. Make sure before I hit the draw, is everybody live? You guys live? Because we're gonna ask a bot question at the when you we want to make sure everybody is live. So before I draw it, let's get the question ready. So you can think about it as it is spinning through your head. What are we gonna do tonight? Since we've been jamming to music tonight, we're gonna say, what's your favorite artist? Who is your favorite artist? Is the bot question. So. Who's your favorite musician, artist, whatever it is? That's the bot question. All right, here we go. Louis! Ho! Louis, 65315. Favorite, what is your favorite artist? Your favorite music artist, favorite band, whatever. But I know Louis. Louis's been a part of the stream. I know you're not a bot, Louis, but just for fun. What's Kendrick Lamar? Nice. Okay. Awesome, man. Well, congrats. You're part of the Discord, right, Louis? If you're not part of the Discord, Louis. Yes, you are. Awesome. All right. Well, let's connect on the Discord and I'll get you your code. I think you tagged me. Did you tag me? Let me check. Get over there and make sure we get your code. There you are. All right, Louis, I just sent you a friend request, and so we will meet over there, and I'll get you your code. Congratulations. Congratulations, Seb. All right, we're still in this trade. It's slowly grinding up. It is it's trying to take us out, but we're gonna see what we do with VWAP. If we don't bounce off VWAP, then I'll be looking for another entry here. We're not done for the night. We're gonna get a winning trade. That's the goal. All right. Lusky, I just sent you that code. You are ready to go. So if you don't know where to go, you can come to this link that I'll put in the chat again. That's Debbie going to join in the morning. Awesome, man. You'll see Smooth Trader in the morning. He'll be there with your morning coffee. Get you started on the New York Open. See you in the morning, Sam B. Thanks for joining tonight, man. It was really great to see you. Sam B got some killer trades tonight. He is a goat. Thank you for joining, Sam B. Yeah, Lewis, so you can go to that link right here. The prop firm matrix. We got the link for Legends right here. I mean, you can Google it too, but there's a link right here. And everybody else, if you want, we've got 80% off right now at Legends. I believe that's the discount. We've got 50% off My Fund of Futures right now until tomorrow at 5 p.m. at market close tomorrow. The deal for 50% My Fund of Futures goes away. You can use it 2 times on any account that My Fund of Futures has. Check that out. Also, I'm going to add, NextGen has a 80% off going on right now. They just fixed their payment system, so they threw in some great deals. Get you a discount, and I'm sure next week they're going to have discounts on activations as well, so look at that. So if you pass this eval, hang on till next week, come see me, and I'll get you a code for a discount on activation as well. Wow, this trade is just grinding to this chart just grinded to a halt, didn't it? Man, oh man. Man, but this is good for me. I mean, we're getting resistance. It's not pushing. We're not pushing. Bears are trying to hold it back. We're trying to hold it back. But oil is a dumpster fire. And that is not good for NQ trades. That is the opposite of good. Which one has end of day drawdown? Several of them have end of day drawdown. We got Legends, Blue Sky, Aqua Futures, next gen. I think next gen is trailing. Have to check them out. My Fund of Futures just started up with a end of day drawdown, limited time only account over there, and then trade day they have end of day drawdown as well. So I like end of day drawdown. I do not like trailing drawdown. I think that is a huge disservice, and I think they're just trying to make you fail with trailing drawdown, because with trailing drawdown, you can be in a winning trade and still lose the account, which is blows my mind. You know what I mean? The matrix link's on the same link that I just shared. If you go up just a few more chats, you see it leads you to this page, and then you can jump to the prop firm matrix. But I'll put it in here for you. I don't mind. We're not doing much. We're just waiting for our trade to work out. So make sure when you get these accounts that you use the Night Trader with a K. Night Trader. I am the Dark Knight. I am Batman. Don't tell anybody. And to get all these discounts right here. Oil dumps for the weekend and then pumps hard on Sunday. Yeah. Yeah, 50% off of My Funded Futures. You can use that code twice for 50% off any account on My Funded Futures until tomorrow at market close. And if you love the music that you're hearing today, you can get it on this same link right here at the very bottom down here. We've got the Night Trader Master playlists. These are all songs that I've created and written with the help of Suno. So you can see my Suno playlist right here and jam out on your work break or at work or at the gym or driving down the road, whatever you want. I promise you, these songs are going to get stuck in your head, and tomorrow morning you're going to wake up and you'll be like, night market, big profit. We're having a good time. Holy cow. This is not looking good for my trade. This is the ES 1 minute. Unless we see oil turn around and start spiking up, I'm going to have some empty pockets. Like I said, if it doesn't resist VWAP right here and start coming back down, I'm going to cut bait and start a new trade and find a new entry. But we gave it our best shot. We had the signals. We've got the MOAS signal. It's still not invalidated. So this MOAS power short right here is got a target of 30.038 down here. We've got a huge fair value gap that needs to be filled. I've got a target right inside the fair value gap here at 0.57, but if it doesn't resist VWAP right here, it's going to be pretty tough to come back down, I think. We got the 15 minute, very bullish. 15 minute is bullish all the way up to 500 up here. Also approaching the VWAP right here, and the green wave is coming to a close a little bit, so it's that is a good sign. But getting these green candles right here, so part of the smooth trader indicators, you get these green diamonds right here, and this is bullish pressure. These are very strong. We like to see these when we're in a long. We like to see a lot of these in a row. So this is not a vote of confidence. We need some of these, some trapped longs, some power shorts. We need those to start appearing right here so we can bring it back down and try to rescue this trade. It is on thin ice. We are on thin ice here. And that's not a good sign. We have wicked up to VWAP. ES is on the rise. We have hit a couple targets today. You can see these three. There's three MOASs here. This one was hit about right there. This one they tagged in with this wick here, so 2 for 3. Which I need to update that. What are you guys seeing out there? We are bearish on gold. I haven't looked at gold. Hey, John Ball, am I worried about losing my gains from holding that long? Not really, dude. I'm plus 8,000 on the day. So I'm just managing my risk right here. And it feels okay. It feels okay. I'm going to see what happens to VWAP right here. And I mean, if we blast through this, then I'm cutting short. I'm not going to let it come up here. This is just protection in case we get a... This is the max I want to lose on this account right here. So, yeah, power long coming in. This is... We are getting bull pressure. It's not looking good. Thank you for subscribing, Money Tree. Welcome to the channel. This is the night market. I am the night trader, aka Batman, Dark Knight, here guiding you guys through the Asian market. Appreciate you guys subscribing and joining the team. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna make some good trades. We're gonna make some bad trades, but we're overall gonna have a great time. So I appreciate you. Nash and Quali, thank you for joining. Yeah, I was trying to buy MHP too, John. I was gonna be short down here, and if it didn't break through to get through this fair value gap, I was gonna buy this up, but maybe VWAP will hold us and push us back down there. I don't know. It's getting very bullish up in here. Hey, Hermana's here. Hey, good to see you. Glad you could join. How are your travels? Are you back? Are you back from Germany? Elvis says, so is true. Everyone in Nash Vegas is a songwriter and producer. Pretty much. I went to Belmont and everybody, I think it was a requisite to get into Belmont University. You have to have a guitar. Hey, KL8023, you tried it. It's giving you 40% off. Have you used a 50% off discount before with My Funded Futures? Because you could only use it twice. Even if you've used it with another stream or something like that, you can only get 50% off twice. Hermana's back. Awesome. Glad to have it back. Awesome. Sounds good. Good news. Yeah, we're going to get some updates on the Discord site, so guys, be watching out. We're gonna have some night trader channels over there, and we'll connect. And this is a new stream. This is the second week of the stream. We started last week, and man, we had a great week last week. We've had a great week this week too. We've been last night was epic night. If you were here, you know we were having fun. We were winning the trade. It was green all day, all night. Super fun. We're a little on the other side of that right now, but let's see how it happens with VWAP here. See if we can turn this around. Oh, you've used a different code before the 50. Yeah. So yeah, My Funded Futures. It doesn't matter what code you use. They got it. It's connected to your account, so they know that you logged in have used that 50% off already. So. Well, oil has turned around. That's good. That's good for our trade. That's a nice spike up from 80 up to 81.13. All right. What's Nvidia doing? Nvidia dropping? That'd be nice if Nvidia can come on down too. Nvidia stalled at 225. We may be okay here. Apple starting to creep down a little bit. SpaceX is green now, and that's what's pulling us up. ES. So if you guys don't know, SpaceX is on the S&P ES. Not on Nasdaq yet. They will be eventually, but not yet. But as we know, ES is is usually the leader of the pack, and can drag NQ around like a little dog on a chain. All right. Well, we did one giveaway tonight at 50 likes. We're at 67 right now. Let's see if we can bump that up to 100, and I'll give away another Legends 50K apprentice cutout tonight. We cut it in half. Usually it's 100 likes in this channel to get a giveaway, but we had some technical difficulties and we lost a couple likes because we had to start over again. So I cut you guys a little bit of a break till we get one of those. But if we can get 100 likes, and I'll give away another 50K Legends Apprentice account. Let's go. Yeah, you can't see it on the screen, Saren, because it is way down here. My take profit is all the way down here at 057. It was out of view of the screen because it's quite a ways away from where we are right now. Yeah, it's not looking great. Not looking great. We're not getting the bearish signals that I was hoping for. Says the 5 minute still bearish, but the 1 minute and the 15 minute are bullish. Let's check on ES. ES is well on its way, hitting the target of 827. It's just another point or so, but phew, that's not good. That's not good. So ES in the 5 minute has a 78.32.50 target with the MOAS way up here. So whoever got this bounce off of dynamic hedge pressure, you are in for a sweet ride, my friend. We've got some trap shorts showing up, and it is getting some good pressure to the north side. I mean, this ES is going to have to completely invalidate this MOAS target here in order for my trade to win, and it's not looking too good. Come on, next week I'll trade with you. I have to catch up at work first. No problem, dude. We'll be here. We're here. This is the night market. I'm the night trader. We're here Sunday through Thursday, every night, jamming out, hanging out. We're going to have some laughs. We're going to have some tears. But overall, we're going to have a good time. So please join us every night. I'll be here. You'll be here. It'll be great. VWAP's holding right now. Holding right now. Come on. Let me get a trap. There's one trap long. Let's get a power short. Let's get another trap long and a power short. Come on. Come on, NQ. Don't be nasty. Don't do me wrong. $15-minute close bullish. Yeah, 15-minute is strong bull. Strong like bull. Got a target up here of 500. I've never pushed the reverse button here. Maybe I'll just reverse my position. That's probably the best call, don't you think? Wonder if that reverse button gets all my money back. Doubtful. Isn't that hedging? I don't know. I've never pushed it. Could be. We might find out here in just a second. Well, hopefully it doesn't come to that, Hayden. Hopefully we just bounce off this VWAP and send it to the floor where NQ wants to go. Look at those bears come in. I've already doubled up. This started out as 2 MNQ on just a whim. I was trying to I was right up here. We went in and we had a signal. Yeah, went in right up here. We had a MOAS power short signal with a target down here of 38. So we hit this, and so I was going for the third. Should have probably just taken these two up first, but I didn't because I'm normally long. I normally don't short, but everything was pointing that way. We got the MOAS power short coming this way. We had dynamic monthly hedge pressure down here looking for a bounce or for it to completely take this fair value gap out that we generated from this gigantic rocket ship of a launch today. And the bulls stepped in and they were like, no, sir, we are going to take your money instead. That's what they did. That's what we call in the business a short squeeze. They are squeezing me. We made it to 72 likes. We're almost there. A few more. SpaceX has started to come down a little bit too, so that'll help the ES drop a bit. SQQQ on the rise. Rise it, QQQ. For those that don't know, I'll let you know. So there is a chart called the QQQ or SQQQ. It is the direct inverse of the Nasdaq. So when the QQQ goes up, NQ goes down. When NQ goes up, QQQ goes down. So ooh, there we go. That's a good candle. Ooh. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Let's take it down. Let's take it down. Take it down. Come on. Turn this into a winning trade. I think hedging, I think you're talking about Hayden, if I'm short this account and then on the same account long on another, like if I'm long on ES with it, that's hedging, I'm pretty sure. Pass through 54. Well, we've got the Joey Diddy band right here at 156. That could be some resistance. It could pop off there. So we'll watch that. But it's definitely heading back in our direction, which I like very much. Yeah, reverse closes the position, opens a new one in the opposite direction. Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. Yeah, if we can make it through this Diddy line at 156, I think we're going to be home free, back in profit. So, it was a nasty pullback, but VWAP's helping. VWAP's helping a lot. I don't want to hit my stop loss. I love this song. I jammed out to this at the gym today. This just rocks, man. Golly. AI music is just... Oh, man. If I had this in high school, I wouldn't be here with you guys. I promise you that. I'd be touring the world with the songs I can make with this thing. For 55 of you guys in here, you guys are kind of quiet on the chat. Legends, a 50K lead shows 81.95 on the matrix, but comes out to 120 on the Legends chart. Let me check for you. It does show that on the thing. Code. They might have updated. I might need to update the. Let's check it. Coming back. Look at that. We're coming back. Let's break through this 156. 156. My password's got to be updated. We'll get that. Come on. Breakthrough 156. Drop the hammer. I'm checking on that Legends for you. Just give me a second. Thanks, Kelly. I worked really hard on these songs. So, with the help of Suno, oh man, this helped turn my lyrics into magic. I tell you what. Baby. Hey, Kelly. Oh my goodness, just a second. Just 1 second. I'm trying to get this. I'll answer your question. Just 1 second, Kelly. I'm trying to get this fixed up. Checking the Legends codes. See if they... Oh, looks like they have pulled it down. Maybe that was a we're gonna have to get that page updated. I'm sorry, on Legends we only have 30% off with Legends right now, not 80%. That was a limited time only, and I will get that updated for the next stream. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry that is not showing the 45% anymore. But those are great accounts, and I like the elites better because they do not have drawdown, they don't have activation fees. The elites, the apprentice do have activation fees, but the elite codes do not. All right, back to the chat. How's our trade doing? It's pushing through. It's pushing through the Diddy line. Let's push through the Diddy line. Come on, Joey. Is Joey still there? Joey probably went to sleep. We're pushing through the Diddy line. Let's go. Hey, Rich D, how am I liking the trade? I'm liking it better now. Not a lot of bearish pressure. We're going to watch it, and hopefully we get some more power shorts, trapped longs. But let's see, check the 1 minute is still bullish. Ooh, 1 minute's got a power short at least down to 149. So it's hopefully it can drag us down to at least a little bit of profit down here. If we get a push down, I'll probably move my stop loss into profit just to protect all my earnings that I did today. But ES is sitting here stuck at VWAP. We need ES to push through and invalidate this MOAS target right here before we can be in the safe zone for sure. AB Suez, yes, we're in shorts. I'll go over it in just a minute. Answer Kelly's question. I have been trading for 2 years. maybe a long 2.5 years. Yeah, about 2.5 years now. Um, I started my trading with an algo company that promised me the world, promised me riches beyond my dreams. And when that didn't work, I shifted to manual trading, and I started following Smooth Trader, this is the Smooth Trader channel. You can catch Smooth Trader every morning, Monday through Friday on the New York Open. And he's there all morning with you while you're having your morning coffee and reading your newspaper. Turn him on in the background and you can get some good trades in. He invented this Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. As you can see, we have on the screen here, and we have it's kicking off a MOAS power short. This is a signal that we're going down. These signals are amazing. They're terrific. They will give you the direction, and you just take profit at will. It hits the target a lot. We've hit the target. We've had 3 MOAS so far, and hit on the 5 minute. I just count them on the 5 minutes, so because this is what I trade is the 5 minutes. So we hit this target, we hit this target, and I'm looking. The next target down below is way down here at the Intervaris at 038. So, but I digress. Back to it. I've been trading for 2 years. And then I call the year that I was not profitable as much. I mean, I took a few profits here and there, but it was not consistent at all. I was burning evals. I burned some fundeds. Honestly, it just like sucks, but it happened. And I finally found my edge with the Smooth Trader and the Rocket Scooter guys. I watch people, and I pay attention to people that are winning and have a good strategy, and Smooth had that, and so I jumped on board. Smooth and I, and so this January I broke even with all the expenses that I had from the beginning to January. I broke even in January, and from then on I have been doing pretty good, I might say. It has not turned into a full-time job yet, but I am on my way. I do have a day job. I'm a consultant and I do ERP implementations, but on the side, I come and hang out with you guys every night. We started this stream 2 weeks ago. Last week, we were 100% profitable, and we hit 100% of our MOAS targets all week long. It was a spectacular week. We are on track, if this trade works out, to being 100% profitable this week too. That would be 2 weeks in a row of profitability on the night market with the night trader. But I mean, I've already pocketed $8,000 today on the New York session. I rode this bull wave up this morning and took home a lot of cheddar on this rise. That was just spectacular. That was just beautiful. So this is just going to add on to my winning so far today. I mean, even if it snaps up and hits my 500 up here, which I won't let it go past VWAP right here, that's about $230 or whatever. I had a very successful day today. So, and you can see my P&L if you guys join the Discord. I post. There's a P&L channel in there. Post your P&L, and I will post every day. Like I posted today, my wins and losses. I am not a 100% win trader. There is nobody out there that wins 100% of the time. And if there is somebody out there, I would like to meet him, because it is literally impossible. Because this market is unpredictable. You can have every edge, you can have every indicator pointing in your direction, and NQ, she's a nasty girl. She will come and just whipsaw you out every time, without fail. So I tallied up yesterday. I'm about 87% win rate right now on my trades. VWAP is this bright, huge white line right above us here. That's VWAP. Got to play Nasty Girl one more time? We can do that. We'll come back to VWAP all night. We'll play Nasty Girl. This is a good one. I'm gonna take a little restroom break while we kick this off. You guys are gonna like this. We wrote this song. I wrote this song today from our buddy San B, who was hanging out in the chat earlier tonight. He's usually hanging on the New York session. Pay attention to that guy. If you get on Smooth Trader Daytime, San B is a goat. That guy is killing it with his trades. Maybe I'll ask him to come on the night market one night and trade with us, and you guys can see some of his magic work because he fantastic. But he inspired me today. He's like, NQ is a nasty girl, so write a song about that. So in my break today, I wrote a song, and here we go. I'll be right back, guys.
Is a nasty girl, always coming back for more, snatching up diamonds and pearls, sometimes making V-WAP above. She leans in close and fades from sight, takes my breath and takes my night, swinging up, swinging down, grabbing my stops, dragging me around. Swinging down, I should leave, but I stick around. NQ is a nasty girl, nasty girl. NQ is a nasty girl. NQ is a nasty girl. Coming back for more. She pulls me in, then cuts me loose. NQ is a nasty girl, and I still want you.
Yeah, we got Border Patrol holding me back. Come on. Pecos, you're hilarious, dude. He's only been in prison for 2 years. Our resident jokester. Thank you, Wilson Chang, for subscribing. Appreciate you. Make sure you guys, when you subscribe, join the Discord. Profo Kapadia, thank you for joining. I appreciate you very much. ES, get it. What is ES doing? ES getting stagnant. Yeah, volume is falling off. It's still bullish across the board, and we got a target up here. Nvidia's stopped its fall, hesitating at 225.09. We need oil to rise up. If oil falls, this trade is done. Oh man, come on. I mean, did I just pick the complete wrong entry? Look at this. I mean, just 3 times it tagged and just bounced. But it looks like it's not bouncing off that. It's bouncing off the Diddy line right here. Not looking good for this trade tonight, my friends. Yep. It's bouncing off OTE. Can I go over the indicator again? Yeah, absolutely. So this is the Smooth Trader indicator. We're using order flow momentum and some of Smooth Trader's special sauce. He has created this out of his brilliant mind. And as you see, we've got some wave action going on here. So when you see these waves like this, you can see it's starting to buckle right here, and then it started getting bigger. We want this to fan out. So this is our bear flag, bear pressure right here. These TLs, that's a trapped long. So you see this signal right here, we're heading down. Same with the opposite. You get the trap shorts or the power longs. You see, look at that raise from those signals right there. The MOAS signals, these are the mother of all signals. When you get a MOAS plus signal, we head down, baby. We're heading down. Or we're heading up like we had earlier today that were pressing us way up here. Look at that. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you can kind of see it kind of gets bigger too. Look, like it's like, yeah, we're going there. And this is like, we're going, baby. Let's go. Rocket ship. And it's just really good guidance of where the market's going. You can see the candles change color as we go, and they sort of gradient over. So we were bullish, and then it was kind of like, no, we're not bullish. Power short come in, power short engage. Dropped us to the floor down here, and we were just bearish with these diamonds right here telling us we're just bearish all the way over. The signals don't hit right all the time, so it's important that you use them like here earlier. I was in this trade. I was going for the long up here to the TP of 233, and it came up, and it got, let's see, about 4 points. 4 points. I should have taken probably profit right there on that one. I initially had my stop loss right back down here. I can't remember why, but there was a reason for it back. Oh yeah, I had it down here because we had this big wick to. Oh no, that wasn't it. I don't know. For some reason I had there, but then I was like, I'm gonna protect myself, and I moved it like right here. And then it just started marching down. It did invalidate it right here with this wick, but it ultimately went up and almost hit it right here. So if I left my stop loss right here, this would have been 100% profit of a trade right there. But I didn't. I was protecting my bag, and just a little tight on the stop loss, and it knocked me out. Headed back up for VWAP. Is this the time that it breaks through? Awesome, Aaron Amos. Appreciate it, dude. Thanks for joining. But this is a spectacular indicator. Everybody that has it loves it. I love it. It gave me some great signals today. I made a lot of money. Today. And like I said, you can't win every trade. So feel free to fade me on this one. It looks like we're going higher. It's been a very bullish day, and they are not giving up. The bulls are just not giving up. We do have liquidity to grab. I mean, this might be just a flow. You know, we might just be just a wave slowly down, creeping towards this line. Or per the 15-minute candle, we could be headed up here. So on the 15-minute, we've got a target way up here at 502. So, you know, the past couple nights, it has been the Tokyo and London market have just been pushing us higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Every night it has been higher and higher. So is this the new high? Is this where we're going to end? I mean, if you held the trade that I was in last night all till this morning, that was a huge overnight win. We had the same last week. Last week we were in a trade for 6.5 hours until it hit TP, but it hit it. Hey, Master Kits, my profit today is a little over 8,000. And that is all MNQ. I don't trade NQ. NQ is dangerous, especially for rookie traders. I mean, that's just that's a good way to blow an account, and that's just not how I trade. I trade conservatively. I'm not a Ferrari trader. I'm not going to get, you know, $60,000 in a day and, you know, driving around in Lamborghinis. I'm a family man, and my target is $200 per account. I've got 21 accounts right now, and if I can get $200 across 21 accounts, that's $4,000 a day, and that is just fine for my family. You can see my profits today if you join the Discord. Check the P&L channel. I'm Right Night Trader in Discord, and I posted my profits today. S-Dub, if I were to choose these prop firms, which would be my first place choice? That's a toss-up between my funded futures and NextGen. I am trading a 150K funded NextGen account right now. They're a little newer in the business, but golly, man, their customer service is top-notch. I was actually talking to Cam today, who is one of the founders of NextGen, and they're going to give us some accounts to give away next week. So they are 80% off right now. So you can get a 25K account right now for $29. I think you can get a 150K for $80, which is whoa. And that's what I'm trading right now. I can do you one better, man. Just follow this link right here. I'm putting in the chat. It's going to take you over to this site right here. And then here's where you can get this the ST indicator. And you can check out the prop firm matrix. You can also join the Discord community over here. So just jump over to the prop firm matrix, and I'll put this in the chat too. And all of those prop firms are here. We got Trade Day, My Funded Futures, NextGen, Aqua Futures, Legends, and Blue Sky. NextGen right here. And then at the bottom here, I've got the link where you can jump right to the site, and make sure you use code NIGHTTRADER with a K to get your discounts. But yeah, NextGen is 80% off till Sunday night. This 80% off is not unlimited. This is until Sunday night. So jump on this. If you haven't gotten a NextGen yet, great account. Just asterisk. You can only trade NextGen on CQG or TradingView. So I'm trading it on TradingView right now. You can see in the bottom I've got the little AMP live here. So you would trade. You would connect it with AMP right here. Is what you connect, and they give you credentials when you purchase an account, and you just connect it here with AMP. But make sure this is the only prop firm that you have to choose live instead of simulation when you do the connection for it to work in TradingView. So just a FYI there. ST indicator, does it require TradingView? Yes, it is currently only on TradingView. Do you need to have any data fees on TradingView? No, not with NextGen. So I'm using CQG. When you buy the NextGen account, it comes with CQG, and that's your data feed. So I don't have a paid TradingView data feed right now. This is all through my NextGen account right now. Or NinjaTrader, because I've got NinjaTrader. I also trade on NinjaTrader. That's what I started on NinjaTrader, but I've got a feed with my prop accounts through NinjaTrader as well. So most prop accounts will give you the feed. You know, shouldn't have to pay for the feed. It's getting a little bearish, but it's pouncing. It's pouncing on its VWAP once again. Let's go back to the 5 minute. What are we doing? And I've also got a meeting with the Blue Sky team tomorrow. So come back Sunday, and we might have some goodies from Blue Sky Sunday night. That would be fun, right? Love Blue Sky. Love those guys over there. They're terrific. Blue Sky are great accounts. So definitely check those guys out if you have not checked out Blue Sky before. The screen you're trading with, Blue Sky, they are really cool. They're great guys over there. I like them a lot. There are good people with these prop firms. Not everybody's evil. Yo, Rod Williams, welcome to the show. Let's put on, I want a little more rock music. ES is pumping. Oh man, my trade is in trouble. I might kill it here if it pushes through VWAP. I'm gonna kill it if we can't bounce off VWAP. But ES is pumping. If you guys are long in ES, we got a target up here on the 5 minute of 78.32. We got several targets on the 1 minute. Just bang, 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 bang. Let's look at the 15 minute. It's super bullish too. It's probably got the same like NQ. Yeah, it's looking for 78.60 up here. I might keep that on an overnight. I mean, ES has just been slowly grinding. Got a little pullback here, but it's just, the pressure is on. This week, the market has been just solid. So much strength. I like it. We took advantage of it last night, man. Well, we were in a long all night. and it paid off greatly. So you like Lucid? If you're try a different prop, it'd be Blue Sky. Yeah, they're great. Good night, SoCal. Glad you joined us. We'll see you on Sunday night, my friend. We are 2 likes away from giving away a 50K Legends Apprentice account. Who's going to be the last 2? Who's going to press the button? Oh, that's but no, hey, don't apologize for asking questions. That's what the chat's for, man. Why don't you guys ask some questions? I mean, not everybody knows everything. I mean, I've not even got to look that up. How often can you request a payout on the 50K Legends? Let's take a look. You can Legends trading. You can get funded in 1 day, and you can request payouts up to twice per month with a 90-10 profit split. Once you meet the consistency rule, you can up to twice per month. With Next Gen, you can get payouts every week. With some My Funded Futures, you can get payouts every single day. If you can get that profit. If you can hit those targets. That's the whole point, right? Hitting those targets. Ouch. Why does it keep playing this? We already played that song. Oh, I've got it on shuffle. I guess it's just going down there. That was a nasty wick right there. Nasty wick. Come on, VWAP. Come on. Hold it down. Come on, dude. Stick with My Funded Futures with the daily payouts. Yeah. I mean, it's a great deal. I mean, if you can get it up there, you can do like, I think it's $10,000 a day on one of those accounts. You have to be killing it though. I mean, I made $8,000 a day, but that was across 21 accounts. So definitely not killing it like that on one account. Yep, 21 accounts. I'm not liking this rise on this. There's a big spike in oil that held us back, so See if they can press back down. That would be spectacular. Come on, drop it like a hammer. Trapped long. That's what I'm talking about. There's a bear signal. Another good candle. Come on, bring it back down. VWAP is holding. VWAP is holding. Right now, let's keep it going. What's the max payout we could take from a firm in a lifetime? Well, I mean, if you are a good trader and you're taking multiple payouts, they're probably going to push you to a live account before, you know. I mean, there's I mean, if I'm taking weekly payouts from Next Gen, and so, I mean, eventually I bet you after 2 or 3 months of taking payouts, they're going to be like, okay, we're going to move you to a live account. That's what the prop firms usually do. Oh, green diamond, that's not good. That's not good. So green diamond is a bull. It's a they want to shoot it to the sky. So there's a reason I didn't put my stop loss right here at VWAP, even though I want to kill it here at VWAP, is that reason right there. That wick up, it wicked up, but it came back down, and so I keep it a little far away, even though I have a target where I want to get out to retain some of the profit that I've gained today. There's still a chance they could pull it back down. There's still a chance. Oil is starting to grind up. Oh, I didn't look. We are at 102 likes. You know what that means? We have hit our target of 100 likes, and it is giveaway time. Who wants a 50K Apprentice Legends account? Raise your hand. We're going to get the giveaway ready.
Streetlights hum a lonely tune. The market screen a pale moon. Tick by tick a snail's pace crawl. Just waiting for
You researched and it said 100K is the max payout on most of the big prop firms, live plus simulated. Yeah, that's why a lot of the guys who are like winning all the time, what they will do is they'll get, they'll take a couple, 1,000 and then purposefully blow the account and start over with a new account. I'm not taking that strategy, but I mean, there's people out there that's what they're doing. And I think the reason that these prop firms are moving to you live to after a couple payouts is they're trying to prevent that. So you just have to, it's part of playing by the, it's kind of, and you're talking about like that 100K is for that single account. I mean, you could, eventually, you like my funded futures, you can have 5 accounts. So that's 500K. So, I mean, if you make 500K from 5 my funded futures accounts, I think you're doing all right. I think you're doing all right. All right. Let's, we got this reset. All right. I'm gonna set up what song we're gonna do? We're gonna do a rock song. No. Have we played Green Diamonds Forever yet? I don't think we have, but we don't want Green Diamonds right now. No. All right. So we are gonna play Underneath the Market Light, and it's 3 minutes. So you got 3 minutes to type the code in, starting now. The code is on the screen. Legends. You guys only have to type it one time. You can type it 1,000 times. You're only going to get one entry. But you don't have to capitalize it. It'll pick it up if it's lowercase. So. Were you looking for long here? I'm just looking to get out of this trade in a profit. That's what I'm looking for. So it's coming down from VWAP, which is really good. Oil is going sky high, blasting high. This is good for our trade. We've got targets down below. Our trade is really not invalidated up until 232. But I don't want to lose that much money. So I have my stop loss right here, but I was going to kill it here at VWAP because I'm preserving my profit. But my TP is down here at 057 at the bottom of this fair value gap. That's what this big box is, a fair value gap from this monstrous blow up bull candles today. But we also have dynamic monthly hedge pressure down here at 101 that we could bounce right off. But if I can get this down to here, that will be a fantastic trade, I think. One minute to go. Get the code in, guys. 81 in here. There's only 26 in the drawing so far. For a 50K Legends Apprentice account coming to you. We're gonna have several giveaways here. I'm talking to the guys at Blue Sky. I'm talking to Next Gen. We're gonna hook you guys up. Slack trade, yes, I did add a contract to my position. I started off with 2 MNQ and then I doubled down on the short, and we're in 4. And we got diamond hands. We are holding this short. All right, we're gonna stop. We're gonna close the entries. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Entries closed. All right. We had this issue last night, so I'm going to tell everybody before we run this drawing, make sure you click down there and hit live so you're live on this stream. And I will give it a minute so that if you get caught in ads or whatever, that you can come back. And the bot check is going to be... What are we going to do tonight? We're going to do your favorite type of pizza. That is going to be the bot code. So when you win, if you win, I want you to tell me your favorite type of pizza. The toppings you like on your pizza. All right, that's bot code. All right, everybody ready? Everybody hit the live. We're all live. Ready to go? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, giveaway. Oh, oops. Wrong button. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wilson is gold. You are the winner. I should have said this before. But you have to be a part of our Discord to get the code, so make sure that you join. If you haven't joined, you're going to need to join so you can connect with me on the Discord and I can get you that code. Wilson is gold. What is your favorite type of pizza? Pepperoni. All right, that's a good one, man. We got a great vegan restaurant. I'm vegan. There's a great vegan restaurant slash deli that has some killer pepperoni made out of sun-dried tomatoes. Oh my god, it's just like the real thing. It's so good. All right, Wilson, it's gold. Hit me up. Join the Discord. Hit me up in the Discord. I'm Rye Night Trader in the Discord, and I'll get you hooked up with that code. Thank you so much for playing. Thank you so much for showing up tonight. We're hitting Border Patrol here at this Diddy line. It gets us it's gotten us all night long. We've gotten just stopped right here. Just does not want to break through. Oil starting to come back down, retracing its steps. We've literally been in this trade since 9 o'clock, almost 2 hours we've been in this trade. And it's honestly gone nowhere. We're almost back at our entry. This is not as great as the show last night. If anybody was here last night, oh man, was it a show? We were rocking. We were hyped. We were in the long. We were killing it. Like we had it was a sniper entry. If there was ever a sniper entry, bam. That was a sniper entry. Couldn't have gone better. We didn't get in the red at all in that trade. Not one time did we get in the red. It was green the whole way up. It was fucking fantastic. Golly. What time did I enter? I just said at right here. At 9:05 I entered this trade, and then I doubled down at 9:30. So we are -4 MNQ. Hoping for a drop into this fair value gap. Hoping NQ goes our way. I mean, we've been pressing up against VWAP. It came up, tested it, down. Came up, tested again, tested it hard. Wicked up right there. Started pressing down again. But I mean, the 5 minutes, the only one that's bearish right now. The 1 minute and the 15 minute are supremely really bullish. So starting to come down. Let me get rid of this. Your 15-minute target is 502 here at the top on the Smooth Trader Concepts. With a stop loss all the way at 812. So it can still come through, hit these fair value gaps, bounce off MHP, monthly hedge pressure down here, and come back up. So that would be an overnight trade. This would be an overnight trade, but you'd have to drawdown out the wazoo to get that. Maybe one MNQ could get it for you, but who knows? Because NQ is a nasty girl, and she doesn't always play by the rules. And she does her own thing. No matter what you think she's going to do, she's going to turn around and surprise you. You like the sound of those high volume pivots? Yeah, there are some reliable pivots. I mean, this is we could bounce right here at dynamic monthly hedge pressure. I mean, that's a good pivot to rock it up as well. I mean, it may not take this. It may bounce off this fair value gap. We bounced off the fair value gap last night a couple times before it eventually took it. What do I think about gold? My wife loves gold. I do not trade gold. I don't trade precious metals. Too volatile. Seems like a rigged game. Kind of like Forex. Forex is a rigged game. I don't do Forex. Elvis, boy did it work. ATM machine left overnight. Woke up to boom. Yeah, man. It was that was a great target. Yeah, gold is such a mess. Not a fan of trading gold. I was actually in the Tradeify Cup. I don't know if you guys saw that a couple months ago. and I was killing it. I made it through the first round, but it was tough because they were allowing everybody to trade silver, and during that time it was so volatile. People were just killing it on silver. I was just trading NQ. I don't trade silver or gold. I wouldn't even know where to start with trade silver, but they allowed them to trade silver, and so I got knocked out on somebody trading silver and me trading NQ. They just made a lot more than me. That's how it went. But they said next time, the next Tradeify Cup, they're not going to allow precious metals. It's going to be NQ, ES, and YM. That's it. And so that will level the playing field, I think. And hopefully I'll get a little more success and maybe even win the tournament. Wouldn't that be a freaking awesome? Yes, it's all rigged, but if you have a good edge and you have a good strategy, and if you can, stay emotionally calm, you can win. Don't revenge trade. Manage risk well. This trade is a great example of managing risk, right? So I've got a 150K next gen funded we're trading right now, and I protect my funded accounts like they're my babies. I'm not throwing 4 NQ on here and trying to blast up and get $5,000 on a trade. I'm trying to get 700. And before that too, it was only like 380, something like that, before I added on the other two. To win in this game is to not overstretch yourself. Don't stretch yourself out. Day trading should honestly be boring. And I don't make it boring. I get excited. I'm excitable. I like to have fun. What's the purpose of life if you're not having fun, right? It's not to be stressed out. That's not the purpose of life. This is to spend time with family, have fun, be in a good community. We're building a great community here. So I appreciate every one of you guys for showing up tonight and being a part of this. We're 2 weeks in on this stream. This is the last night of the second week. And if we can get this trade into profitability, we will be 100% profitable on this channel 2 weeks in a row. Last week was a banger. Oh man, we had some great trades last week. We hit all of our MOAS targets. It was just fantastic. Earlier this week, the market was a little grumpy. It was not playing well. One of the nights, it was like watching paint dry, but we squeezed out a little bit of profit. And that's, this is not my day job. I just do this for fun. I was going to be trading this market anyway, but I worked with Smooth Trader and we developed this night market channel. So, we could, expand the audience and get more people into this Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, because it's fantastic. It works really, really well, and it can make you guys very profitable. So definitely check it out. You could do it $7 for 7 days. That's kind of risk free. You're going to spend more than that on a prop eval, to be honest. And right now the indicator, it's 20% off. If you want to do the monthly, it comes out to be like $70 a month, which is about the cost of an eval, which you can easily recoup with this program. So definitely check it out. I'm going to set this link again into the chat. We had problems with OBS tonight, so I don't have it, and YouTube, so I don't have it pinned, but future nights it's going to be pinned at the bottom of this chat, but it'll lead you here. You have access to the STC indicator, the prop firm matrix, where you can get all your prop firms on discount. Don't ever pay full price for a prop firm. It's you don't have to, because everybody's always running some kind of sale, and you can use code NIGHTTRADER right above me with a K to get your discounts. You can also join our Discord community here, and then if you like the music that we've been playing tonight, I have added my Suno playlist right down here as the Master Night Trader playlist. So definitely check it out. But Yeah, life is simple. We overcomplicate it. That is the truth. And but not me. I, along with the Smooth Trader, we take it easy. We make some good trades. We have some fun on the stream here. Let's see. Let me make sure. Yo, duh, yeah, you made some money, nice. Nice play, dude. Saw that in the main chat. We've got a P&L channel on the Discord. Post your P&L, where you can see my P&L for the day. Nice and green. So yeah, guys, if you make some money, come and post your P&L. Let us know this indicator is working for you. That'd be absolutely awesome. So before we sign off here, we're about to sign off. It's been a long night. We've been here for a while, and I've got to get back to my wife. So who is that? Wilson is gold. Wilson is gold. You still out there? Down, you're marked down, but just type a message in the main chat. Just wave your hand or whatever, and I'll grab you and get you that code. Oh, she already knows, Elvis. She already knows. That's why I'm able to stay a little late with you guys tonight, because we made some money. But I'm gonna keep this trade on. I'm gonna try to hit my target, and we'll see if we can make some magic happen, and I'll post this trade in the Discord tomorrow morning with the results. So it's either a loss or it's a win. So, but I'm in it to win it, and I'm here for you guys. So I'm going to hit the outro song, and we are going to call it a night. So thank you guys once again for joining this show. We'll be here every night, Sunday through Thursday. And taking trades, having fun. You guys are awesome. Thank you, night traders. Have a good night. And I'll leave the chart up as the outro song plays. But you guys have a great night. Thank you. The chat's thinning out, phone face down.